Greetings friends! Today we will bake a cake that is a real paradise for chocolate lovers. The special thing about this cake is the completely flourless recipe, but it still has a velvety center and a deep chocolate flavor. To make the cake, you will need milk chocolate 170 grams or 6 ounces, butter 115 grams or 4 ounces, sugar 150 grams or 5.3 ounces, salt 1/4 of a teaspoon, cocoa powder 50 grams or 1.8 ounces, 3 eggs, vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. Melt the chocolate and butter in the microwave until smooth. Stirring constantly, add the eggs to the chocolate mixture one at a time. Add the vanilla extract with the eggs. Stir until smooth. Then add the sugar, salt, and cocoa powder and stir until smooth. Pour the butter into the pan, which should be hot, so place it in a hot oven for 5 minutes in advance. Bake the cake at 360 degrees of Fahrenheit or 180 degrees of Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is cooling, prepare the chocolate glaze by combining 170 grams or 6 ounces of chocolate and 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of heavy cream and melting in the microwave until smooth. Wrap the ring of a spring-form pan with plastic wrap and place the ring on the cake. Pour chocolate glaze over the cake and place it in the refrigerator overnight. Cut the cake into 12 pieces. Sprinkle coconut flakes on top of the cake. Friends, this cake literally melts in your mouth, tasting like a combination of brownies, chocolate candy, and ganache. Serve the cake with berries, a scoop of ice cream, or simply whipped cream. I assure you this dessert will be the star of your holiday table. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to save it because it will definitely come in handy one day. And of course, as always, I hope for your comments and likes because they are very helpful to my channel. I wish you luck in making this dessert and bon appetit!